Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new tool in GeoGebra. So let's start. I'm just making the text a little bit bigger. So click on say regular polygon. Let's make a hexagon. Okay, we got a hexagon. Now, suppose if you are using a hexagon or any other structures in many number of times in your project, so it's better to create a tool for that. For example, now it is hexagon, so I'm creating a tool. Click on tools, then create new tool. Here you can see output object. So our output is we should get hexagon. So this is our output. Then click on next. Then it will go to input objects. So A, B are the 2 points. Then click next. We have to give a name for this tool. So I'm giving hexagon. Then click on finish. Then okay. So you can see one tool is there in the toolbar. The name is hexagon. So if you want one more hexagon in your project, or not one more, if you need how many number of hexagon, you just need to click on this tool. Then one point here. So you got your hexagon without much effort. Suppose if you need again hexagon, click. And you can make it bigger and smaller as you wish. I will show you one more. Click here, click on polygon. Let's make a rectangle. Now I am going to create a tool for this. So create new tool, output object. Here rectangle is our output. So we need to get that. So click here. So it came here. Then click on next. Now input objects. We need 4 inputs, 4 points. Click on next. Tool is rectangle. Then click finish. Okay. So when you click here, you can see our 2 nodes because we already created hexagon and we have created rectangles. Now click on rectangle. Now click here 1 point, then another, third point, and here we got our rectangle. So it will save your time. Suppose if you are using the same polygon or any other structures in your project many number of times, better to create the tool for that. And also you have to give the inputs and also the what output you want, that also you have to select. Then you can give a name. It will save your time. So I will come up with a project based on this soon. So till that, bye bye friends.